bike had warmed up. Then I had to turn it off quickly as the bike was leaking fuel. Don't want my bike going up in flames.
Tank. Now I've put some little bit of oil in there, so that's easy for the key in and out. I'll just show you. Easy in, easy out. No stuck in the key no longer. She fired up nice this morning. She still has got to order up. I had a look online and I've got to order up a new fuel tap kit, because when she's on prime the fuel leaks out, so we've got a little bit of a puddle, but also noticed this morning there's a bit more of a puddle around this side, so she's leaking from somewhere.